Transform your tresses. Shark FlexStyle hairdryer and multi-styler for salon-quality hair at home. Say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to fabulous locks with the Shark FlexStyle hairdryer and powerful styling system. This innovative device combines the power of a fast-drying hairdryer with a versatile multi-styler, allowing you to curl, volumize, smooth, and dry all in one tool. With 6 included styling attachments, including a paddle brush, curl-defining diffuser, and auto-wrap curlers, this all-in-one system has everything you need for stunning styles that wow. Unlike traditional hairdryers that can cause heat damage, the Shark FlexStyle measures and regulates air temperature 1000 times per second to deliver fast drying with low heat. This means you can achieve your desired look without sacrificing the health of your hair. Enjoy fast, efficient drying that protects your locks while maintaining shine and moisture, making this tool a game changer for anyone concerned about heat damage. Weighing in at just over 1.5 pounds, the compact Shark FlexStyle doesn't skimp on power. Its 1,400 watt motor delivers ultra-fast performance, allowing you to style while you dry. Whether you have straight, wavy, curly, or coily hair, this system adapts to all hair types. You'll save precious time in your morning routine, leaving you free to conquer the day with confidence and style. What sets the Shark FlexStyle apart from the competition is its unique auto-wrap curlers that utilize Coanda technology for effortless curling. No more fiddling with clamps or hot tools, just attach the curlers, and watch as they wrap, curl, and set automatically for flawless results. Plus, the included oval brush and paddle brush make smoothing and straightening a breeze, providing salon-quality results without leaving your home. Affordable and tech-tested, the Shark FlexStyle is built to last, offering durable performance and superior quality. Customers rave about its effectiveness in achieving gorgeous styles without the fuss, making it a worthwhile investment for your hair care routine. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your hair game with the Shark FlexStyle hairdryer and multi-styler, the ultimate tool for achieving your hair goals effortlessly.